nylon is a synthetic polymer, or you can say man-made polymer. Okay, but when we say about the naming of nylon, nylon name is coming from both the cities New York and London. New from the New York, Ny word is coming, and the London, from London the lawn word is coming, and together the nylon name is written. Okay, so nylon means Ny word is coming from the New York city, and lawn word is coming from the London city. Okay, so you already know about the naming of nylon, because both London and from both the cities London and New York, the name of nylon is coming. Now in this video we discuss about, or we uh, talk about the two numbers that are used in the name of nylon, like nylon 6 or nylon 66. What are the meaning of these terms that we use in the naming of nylon 6, nylon 66, uh, which uh, uh, which things are indicated by these two numbers or two suffix numbers, and differences between nylon 6 and nylon 66. So this is the topic of discussion. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal, and before starting this discussion I would like to remind you that if you do not subscribe this channel, or you are new to this channel, then subscribe it right now, and press the bell button to get notifications on uploading videos. So look at the differences between nylon 66 and nylon, and why this suffix are used and meaning of this suffix. Nylon 6 is formed from the caprolactam. Okay, this is the monomer of this synthetic polymer nylon 6. It is an amide polyamide. So nylon 6 is formed from the monomer caprolactam. Okay, caprolactam is the monomer of the nylon 6. Here in the monomer, the number of carbon is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 carbons present in the monomer of the nylon 6, which is called as caprolactam. In caprolactam, the number of carbon atom present 6, and for this reason in the naming of nylon 6, the 6 is written nylon 6 as nylon 6. And when in the case of nylon 66 synthetic polymer, in this case two monomers are involved in the polymerization to form the nylon 66, and one of the monomer name is the hexamethylene diamine. This one is called hexamethylene diamine, and this one is called adipic acid. And adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine both are the monomers of the nylon 66. So in case of nylon 66, both the monomer have 6 carbon atoms, 6 here and here, 4 plus 2 means 6, means for the both of the monomers hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid, for both of the monomers total number of carbon present in both of the monomers are 6 and 6, and for this reason this 6 and 6 is written after the name of nylon, because both the monomers amine and acid, both monomers have 6 carbon atom, and here in the monomer caprolactam, for the case of nylon 6, only 6 carbon present, and for this reason the name is nylon 6. So you can understand the use of the suffix 2 number 6 and 66. So this is the difference between nylon 6 and nylon 66. Here the two words the two numbers that are written after nylon indicating the number of carbon present in the monomer compound. Okay, monomer compound. So our topic, that naming of the suffix of two numbers in nylon. Okay, this suffix 6 and 66. So this is the difference between the nylon 6 and nylon 66, and you can say the meaning of nylon 6 and nylon 66. So that's the meaning of nylon 6 and nylon 66 and difference between nylon 6 and nylon 66. So I think for the other nylon name, this same thing happens. These two number indicating the number of carbons that are present in the monomers from which the synthetic polymer is or nylon is formed. Okay, so that's the discussion regarding the meaning of two suffix numbers that are used to name nylon and difference between nylon 6 and nylon 66. This is very important question in examination. You know, this question is generally coming in the examination and have a very simple question, so you don't have any problem to answer this question. So that's the discussion, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get the new video upload notifications. And thank you for watching this discussion. That's it.